Thanks for joining us today. I'm Justin Keys, TRG's Technical Solutions Specialist, and we have a couple guests here to answer some questions.
My name is Alfredo Machado. I am a channel manager with Datalogic. I've been with the company over 3 years and very happy to be here.
My name is Casey Seagraves, and I'm the Territory Account Manager covering Ohio and Kentucky with Zebra Technologies.
Awesome, guys. Thanks for joining us. One of the first topics that we're going to talk about are VMU computers and forklifts and mounting gear. One of the biggest questions is what's the difference between a rugged fork mount lift versus other devices?
I would say that is the main big difference between a VMU is they're purpose built for that intention, to live in that environment, to handle the vibrations, the ruggedness, and also the ease of use for the individual on the fork truck.
So what are some use cases you guys are seeing these rugged forklift devices being used in?
It's built for that purpose, so having a vehicle mount computer on a forklift makes the life of the user easier. So you avoided the manual process you're doing right now. If you have to go back to a computer, check what the next activity is, or going on a forklift to a specific location, have to go back, check what the next steps are, etc. You have it right there in the forklift, and then you can pair different devices as well. So you can pair a mobile computer, you can pair a handheld scanner as well, and do different applications at the same time. So if you're doing picking, etc., you can be more efficient in the process and increase productivity overall.
You have these rugged mounted computers. How are you guys seeing them mounted to forklifts? Like, what kind of gear are you guys seeing getting those mounted up?
I hate to make mention of a brand specific, but we're really seeing RAM mounts for the majority. And the reason being is because that ability to articulate in any direction. I've been in some manufacturing environments where they've got little smaller duty fork trucks because the environment's much more dense. So the size of the fork truck's a little bit condensed. And there's some large individuals who get on those forklifts, there's only so much space. So the fact that those arms can really articulate and place that anywhere in space that's comfortable for that user, I think that's kind of the leading solution.
What are some of the latest features you guys are seeing on these rugged devices?
Oh yeah, good question. I think one of the biggest things is a full push to Android operating system, for one, just at the core. I mean, the Windows is no longer really available in the marketplace. A lot in the refurb. There's some older legacy devices which are manufacturer dependent are approaching end of sale because support for Windows obviously gone or going away. So I would say that's really one of the biggest core ideas that's a little bit different.